Did you know that adding fake plant roots to seawalls can help fish? Seawalls are man-made structures built to prevent waves from crashing into walkways and homes. This is quite handy for humans, but not so much if you're a fish. Fish rely on root structures for exploration, to find food, to avoid predators, and just generally to find shelter. One scientist at the University of Kansas even saw a bait fish being chased by a predator, and when it ran into the seawall, it literally jumped out of the water because there was nowhere else to go to escape. He wanted to protect these fish. His solution? To build mangrove-inspired fake plant roots to add to seawalls to provide shelter. In a recent experiment, they tested this hypothesis for Canadian freshwater fish. Scientists introduced 4 species of fish into the tank one at a time: bluegill, rock bass, yellow perch, and bandied killifish. They observed whether the fish would prefer the flat seawall or the more textured plant root inspired panels. They all preferred the plant root panels over the seawall, but this admittedly varied by age as to how much plant root structure they wanted, and also the younger ones almost always want more shelter. Because they're vulnerable, that is. Furthermore, the textured surfaces leave spaces for bivalves like mussels and oysters that filter water naturally and improve the water quality for the entire ecosystem. This year, the lab is testing the root-inspired panels in an actual lake instead of a lab tank. This is an optimistic look into how we can modify our man-made structures to provide room for wildlife. Did you install plant root panels at your local lake?